We're not saying that the moment you do is please do 300. This is to share to other people what are the, because paste and toothpaste and shampoos and everything is what everybody uses on a daily basis. We're going to show them how they can save money and also how they can um, also use quality products. So I'm going to squeeze the other side. I'm going to start with Glister now. I'll go on this plate. We know that every day morning people brush, and I like to do this demo, and I've also put down all the stuff here so that you know what are the ingredients we need to use. Carry a foil with you all the time, and I like to do it in front of the customer to show them what products, what are all the products we have. The paste I'm using is Colgate, Crest, and sensor and Glister, and of course, and also I've got Sensodyne. We know many people use Sensodyne because they have sensitive teeth, but the sensitive teeth we're going to show you how even that is also going to damage. So let's start with Crest, and we take a little of Crest on one side, um, and do it 50 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. And then we'll take the first one was a Crest, I'll give it right about it, and the second one was the Colgate. Colgate, the same thing, go over 50 times. And why we are doing it 50 times and what happens after we do this, I'm going to tell you. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 50. Excellent. And then I got this toothpaste for sensitive teeth, and this toothpaste smells yuck, but oh, it really smells bad, and it's very oily. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 50. Okay, and now what we do is we take a Glister paste, and so on this we have the Crest, on this we have the Colgate, and on this we have the Sensodyne, and then we take the Glister and we do the same thing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, Excellent. So we know what a toothpaste are. I'm going to take this off, and I take tissue papers, cut them into 4 pieces. And where's my 4th piece? I need one more piece of the tissue paper, please. And this is a plain white tissue paper. It's absolutely plain. So what we do is you will see the black coming out of this. You'll see this is black. This is why you see many people who have got brownish tinge and yellow tinge. This is all because this is the Crest toothpaste.
Where did the black come from?
That comes from the paste itself. When you smudge the paste 50 times, this is what happens. This is what stays on your teeth all day, and this is why the color happens. This is Crest. See how black it is. And let's get another new tissue paper, a new one. And what was the next one? The next one was a Colgate. Ooh. This is what happens when you rub the paste on your...
Walmart products are great.
Yeah, this is what happens. This is what happens. And excellent. And what was the next toothpaste? Sensodyne. We are taking again a plain white tissue.
One more tissue, right?
Yes, I want one more. I think I've got it. Oh yeah, I need one more, please. And
What is that one?
this is Sensodyne for sensitivity teeth. The sensitive teeth is supposed to protect the enamel, but this is what it does. All the 3 tissues are black in color, and let's get the one with the Glister. We are going to see what this does. The Glister is the last one. For your reference, what you can do is you can write it down. You can write down G, Colgate, Glister, this thing, and you can see a difference of all these papers right away. This is Glister, and you can see the other toothpaste. Yeah, you can mark it on your tissues, or you can mark it here, and you can see. This is what happens with other toothpastes. And I always like to do this demo, and also because we have seen some people after they eat lunch, it's hard to talk to them. I want to show you this. On this toothpaste, the pink one, I got two new toothpaste. You can try this too. I put the ginger paste on it, ginger paste from both of them, and apply and washed it with apply a little of paste on this, and one with Crest and one with Glister, and wash it off thoroughly, and you can see the smell. These are brand new toothpaste. I put ginger paste on it. You can all smell it. You'll smell this. Okay, Limia, you are right here. Smell this for me. Do you feel the ginger and everything? You smell it close. Maybe I left it on the center. Compare the smell with this.
No, this one is not good.
This smell good? Okay, see, she didn't know which one I had better. This pink one is the one that I had the glister on. You can try this as well, because when people are smelling, you know, oh please, you know which ones they have used. Excellent, and that is for the toothpaste. And the next thing, let's move on. We will get the tap water. This is for the water purifier. We all know that people drink a lot of tap water, and we want to show them what happens when they drink the tap water. 60% of our body has got water in it. Anything we put in our body has to dissolve. Now let's show this. See, I always carry my e-spring in a perfect water. And we notice this is our OTO. This is to determine if the water has chlorine in it. And this is the tap water. I'm going to explain a little about this, what it does. You see the color changes to yellow, and we all know this. And the same thing, I'm going to put few drops in here. This is a e-spring water purifier system. The color does not change yellow. Let me compare this. You see here, the color changes yellow. The color doesn't change. What does this represent? This represents sometimes in water, I did it in somebody's house. See, the water is turning more yellow. That means to say there's more chlorine in it. And chlorine is extremely dangerous for people. In women, it causes bladder cancer, severe cancers. Men, they are more serious problems. We have a neighbor of ours who has excess chlorine in his body. And I always like to share it this as he fell off, and when he did his MRI and everything, the doctor has to cancel his driver's license. Then they realized that he had extreme chlorine in his body. Because he fell off and he was working on the computer, and they realized he can fall off on his wheel too. Very dangerous. This is and some people suggest I use Brita system. Brita system, they can use the small jug only for drinking water. The beauty of e-spring is we hook it up to the tap. So anything, I wash my fruits, my vegetables, my rice, and everything with e-spring water. See, this is getting darker and darker. It's dangerous. This is with my water purifier system. And the next thing we have is I want to start is Double X. The vitamin supplement that we have is Double X. And why we know that anything Double X has got three: the gold, the silver, and the bronze. And the one we are going to look into is the gold one. And we'll come back to this. And again, we put everything in water. We take a cup and we put it in water. People ask, somebody has asked me, how do you know what happens when it gets into your body? This is how I know. This is my body. 60% of my body has water. When I put something in my body, it has to dissolve. And I'm going to put it down there and see what's going to happen. And also, this is an X brand called a Centrum. And Centrum, I paid $8. I got $150. I said buy 100 tablets, get 50 tablets for free. So if I get something for 150 tablets for $9, I know how much is one tablet. If they can sell it for 0.9 cents, I know what kind of quality is there in it. And I take one Centrum and put it in my. This is one body and this is the other body. So we'll leave it down there for some time and we'll come back to this. And meanwhile, I'm going to go over this demos quickly. And again, we take water in a cup, and we have seen kids falling sick. We are seeing so many people falling sick, and you can't go to work because of all the germs and the cold and the virus and the pollen allergy and everything. So this is what we are going to do. I add chlorine to water. This is what. Iodine. This is your body. I'm sorry, iodine. This is what happens. This is all the virus, the germs, the bacteria, the infection. This is how the body looks. And so you're feeling that everything is coming, and next day you cannot go to work. So what happens? We have something called as Neutralite vitamin C. The vitamin C is for getting rid of the bacteria and the virus from your body. So what does the vitamin C do? Please pay attention to this. If you're seeing this for the first time, you will see as soon as I put vitamin C in the body, the vitamin C starts killing the bacteria and the virus. And when it starts killing, what happens? I start feeling better. You know, last year we had been to Detroit. Our flight was at 10:30 in the morning. 8 o'clock, I woke up. I was feeling cold, cough, and everything. And then when I took this tablet, lie down for 30 minutes, I woke up. I was absolutely fine. You said this?
Wow.
This is exactly what happens inside your body. It kills all the bacteria, the virus, the infection, and everything. This is how beautiful vitamin C works. And the next thing we'll go back to is we'll come back to this double X demo, but we'll let it dissolve for some time to see what's happening in the body. And the next thing we'll go to is dish drops. We know most of the people use Palmolive, and Palmolive I got it in dollar store. This is $1, and it says it's concentrated. And when our dish drops too are concentrated, but the same size of the bottle, when I would dilute it, I get it for 60 cents. This I get it for $1. So right away there is a savings of 40 cents. We are cheaper than dollar store when it comes to our home care products. This is a direct comparison.
What is the percentage you dilute?
The percentage you dilute is in the back of it, but however you can take only a little of this. I would say about 5 spoons of it, and then you dilute it because it's concentrated. And this doesn't say you should dilute it because that's what you should be using it. And here is what I'm going to do. I take a mirror. You know, this is to represent because this is to represent how. Take a mirror, and I'm going to get some oil. What you can mark it if you would like to get more details, but I'm going to get some oil. So what I'm going to do is, you know, you can use vegetable oil or Chinese oil, whichever one works for you. And I take oil and I smudge it. And this is how my vegetables, my utensils, when they have all the cooking and after everything I've cooked. And the eggs brand, I take a little, it's purple in color, and I take a little of it and I put it on it. And I take a little of dish drops. Remember, this is concentrated and this is diluted. And let's see how beautiful diluted works. And I take a little of that, and then you'll see what I'll do. This is diluted. You see how a paste it becomes there? And then we'll see what I'm going to show you. You can carry a tray with you. And
Actually, it looks different. Even the oil is separating out.
yes, the oil separates out, and you're going to see right away something.
Wow, look at that.
You get that thing? And
Man, this is exciting.
This
is awesome.
what is happening here is the dish drops, when you put even with a little of dish drops, and that too diluted, when you put it on the oil, how quickly it goes away, and plus how it saved a lot of water. And does this, see the soap is sitting there, and plus the oil is also sitting there, and nothing has changed. And how much of water do I need to put? How much water bill am I paying with this thing?
Yeah.
That's exactly what it represents. And you know what, with this thing, with dish drops, you save a lot of money because this we get it for only 60 cents. And when you dilute it, that's how the ratio is, and this is $1. So over the period of 6 months, we are paying more than $15 on just on dish drops. And I want to go back to Nutrilite. I'll show you something. We all know that everybody has a lot of cholesterol because we eat all kinds of food, fast food and heavy food. And this is what I'm going to show you. The reason we have got in this cup, we have got hot water. This is body, and this is the fat. And this is made up of fat. The thermos cup is made up of fat, and we have got hot water in it because what body inside is warm. Our degrees is 98 degrees. We always, right? That's why we have hot water in it. And what we have in one Nutrilite, I'm going to show you here. I'm going to take this needle, cut it. So what happens when I cut it? So you guys are okay back there? And this is the competitive product. I got it from Walgreens, and even it looks similar. It looks similar too. But what I'm going to do this, I'm going to cut it and put it in my body. I'm going to cut it and put it in my body. You're going to see after some time, this cup is going to break into two pieces, the one with Nutrilite, and this cup is just going to sit like that. That is because when we take any omega tablet in our body has fat. Why do we get cholesterol? Because body has fat inside it. And when we take omega tablet, it has to go through the fat, cut the fat open, penetrate the fat through open and go through the fat, and it has to work into the body. When the fat is there and the omega tablet cannot even cut through the fat, it cannot cut the cholesterol from the body. That's exactly what this represents. When we have Neutralite balanced health, heart health. When we take omega into the body, it has to cut through the fat because these foam cups are made up of fat. It has to cut through the fat, and only then we know the tablet is working in the body. If it doesn't cut through, it just sits there and we wasted all the money we put into the tablet. We will see in few minutes, we will come back to this. We will see that it will cut through it.
Did you warm the water?
Yeah, the water is warmed up. So we have to warm the water because inside our body is always at 98 degrees. So we have to warm the water. This product I got it off of Walgreens. And you will see in few minutes what will happen. The cup will break open. And meanwhile, let me come back to here. Oh yeah, I love this shampoo. Welcome to you. All of us wash our clothes. Get me water in both of these, please. All of us wash the clothes. The product I got it from this is the product. You can use Tide, you can use any product. I got some washing powder that we had out there. And this is the SA8 BioQuest, 33 loads. So what we do is, you see our scoop. This is the scoop of the competitive product, and this is our scoop. And this right away says that the prices are extremely competitive. Our prices are very low because if you are spending $10 for this, you are spending exactly half of what it is. So over the 6 months, you'll be spending double the money just on washing clothes. And I'm going to show you a small demo. What we do is usually in the lawn, what other people do is they dump their clothes in the washer, they put the powder and they close it. So they don't know what's happening. At the end of the whole thing, all they know is they take the clothes off and they put it in the dryer. But I'm going to show you what happens inside the washer. Okay? So let's take a little of SA8. This is the washer. Huh? You can carry a pretty good decent bottles, but I wanted to, because it was little night time, I wanted to make sure I get the lighter bottles. And take a little of the competitive product and put it in the washer. This is how the washers work. And all we do is we just close the washer, right? We just close the washer. So the bigger one, in this I have the SA8, and in this I have the competitive product. You're going to see right away what's going to happen. The water, if it's bright enough, the plain water is going to settle here, and all the washing powder is going to settle here with Tide, with any other competitive product. This is what's going to happen. The water and the product do not mix. Tide and any other competitive product does not mix in the water, does not dissolve in the water. It just stays here. But the dangerous thing with this is, it just stays here. We close the washer, we take it out, we open and we put the clothes in the dryer. But actually your clothes are not even washed. And forget about removing all the stains. It did not even wash. But the dangerous thing with this is, this has got all the phosphate sitting here. The phosphates did not dissolve in water. When the phosphate passes through the pipes, that's when it forms the hard molds. We see pipes getting stuck, and we'll see all kinds of problems. We had a problem in this neighborhood where the sewer came out because all the pipes were stuck with phosphates and ammonia and everything. This is exactly what happens. Exactly what happens because it doesn't dissolve in water. You will see the same thing with SA8. And once you put it in washer, you will see the same thing. The entire water will be white in color. You can let it settle down because it will not have phosphates in it. You will see the water is white in color. Here you'll see the water is plain in color. I don't know if in the night, if in the dark you can get it.
Yes.
You can see the difference right away. This is the plain water. You see the difference right away. This is the bottle with the red cap is plain water, and this is white water. We want the liquid to dissolve. If it doesn't dissolve, these are all the phosphates is dangerous. It will all sit in my pipes. So this is exactly what happens when we put it in the washer. And how it takes off the stains, that's a different thing. If it doesn't dissolve in water, it does nothing. And the next thing I want to go is with the shampoo.
Leaking already.
It's leaking already?
Yeah.
Oh, see this? This is getting ready to break. You see the line there?
Yeah.
It's getting ready to break. We will see that in a few minutes.
This is dissolved before you follow.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. The one Balaji is showing is the one, this is our XX, and this is the Centrum. And you see the one, give me the Centrum please. You see the one with Centrum. If it doesn't dissolve in my body, it's okay. But my problem is it sits in my body. This in my body, what's happening? You can see all the pictures here. You can take a see the centrum. All it has done is it has just become a powder and it is sitting there. What is dangerous about this is the powder sits in every place it can think of. Because many people, when they talk about taking other vitamins, they talk about later after some stage they have high BP and they have other problems because all these powders they go and sit in the arteries. That's when the blood pressure, all problems happen. But you can see this, the color has changed, and you can see the vitamin, much of it hasn't sat there. And you know what, Suresh was up there in Walgreens looking for some cold medicine for somebody, and the pharmacist said, if they have high BP, don't take this cold medicine. So it means to say if the body has already got high BP, the tablet is going to make it higher more. Why? Because of these things. Because the tablet, half of the tablet will sit there and half of the tablet will pass through. This will sit in the arteries. So now we have saved money. We have saved $1 for buying a tablet at Walgreens. And but what happens after some time is all this stuff goes and sit in the arteries, sits in every valve, and then it starts causing oxidation problems. Slowly it results in high blood pressure, all different kinds of problems. We were not born with any problems. We welcomed it because we are using tablets and pills. And the next product I'm going to talk about is, get me water in these two. And this is the competitive product. We got the shampoo, and it says that it is moisturizing and hydrating. And this is our satinic shampoo. And we're going to see a difference how this works. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it already. What soap does it have? You can take the new box. It's sitting right there. Yeah. You can take this out. Get me the new box. And what we'll do is we'll take a little sponge, and I'll keep 2 balls here. Thank you, Martha. 2 balls here. And in the red sponge, I'll take a little of. I'm going to show you how this product helps you save money, and also what it does to your hair. You see, this is the sponge with the competitive product, and this is my satinic, and this is my hair. Right? We're going to show you what's going to happen. I want you to carefully notice here. You will see this. The satinic is again dissolved in water, and see how the satinic is. And the best thing is with my hair doesn't have any shampoo left on it. Can somebody touch and see? This side was where we applied the shampoo. It doesn't have any shampoo left on it. So when you rinse it, because it dissolves in water, and plus I had to put only a little of it, see, everything is washed away by water. But here what happens, you see the soapy there? And that's because the shampoo is still left on your hair. So you're sitting there washing for a long time. If you're running out, you just leave. So what happens? The shampoo is still sitting on your hair. Plus, this all has chemicals in it. So when it's sitting on your hair, it has chemicals in it. That's when people talk about hair fall, and they talk about hair graying. This is the only reason. Because the first thing is, it needs a lot of water to be washed, and the second thing is, it doesn't dissolve right away. So with shampoo, what happens is, thank you so much. Always make sure you do not use any shampoo which has chemicals in it, and always please make sure, if you are using the other brand, also sit there for a long time to make sure you take it off of your hair. And you can see right away, you see the sponge. Where is my shampoo in it? Where is my shampoo? You see this?
Yes, it's all complete.
This is the cost per use. Somebody says the product's expensive. No, it's not. Look right here.
Hair
No,
is
it is
very
not.
expensive.
Yeah, it is expensive. But you see, I had to take a little of shampoo on a sponge and see how much of lather it has got. Versus, look at this. Where is the lather? Where is the shampoo? I see only water in it. Excellent, And that's a product. And the same thing, can you need the sponge, please? And we will look at this Omega. It's almost getting there. We'll look at that. Yeah.
This is all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wash them? Yeah, wash it for me. And we will now show the, before I can come to that, let me show the artistry product. Everybody washes face, we know that. This is my potato. Yeah. You know what I did? I cut a piece of potato and then let it sit outside from the evening. And we know that, our faces are always fresh, but what happened? We have all these problems on our face. That's because it's of the oxidation process. That's because of the sun rays, the sun's UV rays and everything. This is oxidation. Like how we see on metals, the oxidation happens, and we use metal cleaner, we have to have some cleaner on our face too. So this is how what the oxidation process is. So you start using the artistry products, because what artistry products does is it first makes sure it removes all the dead cells and everything from the face. This is the polishing scrub I've used. And the polishing scrub, what it does is, when you start, you will see right away, this is a fresh potato. Yeah, it's right here. This is a fresh potato, oxidation. You saw how the oxidation potato looked black, and you will see what this artistry products does right away. You can compare it. You saw how black it was, and once you start using artistry, you will see half of the oxidation has gone. You just have to rub it more. This is exactly what happens on your face too. And always make sure you start with some artistry products at least, so that you know what, you don't make it more. And the other thing, the last product I want to talk to you about is the body wash. Everybody uses some kind of soaps, or they use my bowls. Yeah. Everybody uses some kind of soap. Our soap is body wash, and what we do with the body wash is the same thing we do. When I take my Martha, you wash the sponge for me?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And excellent. This is what we are going to do. This is a competitive product. It says if you have tried Dove, then try me. Okay, so let's try this guy. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take. So this is how I'm taking bath every morning. I take a little of. You have to sit a long time in the shower when you use this competitive product, because I'm going to show you what it does. So this is the cost per use. The product helps you save a lot of money. So you see right away here what happened? The body wash dissolved in the water. If it doesn't dissolve in the water, I have a problem. I have to sit there for, or else the body wash will sit on the thing. You see, it has dissolved in water. The water is, when I wash my body with body wash, the water washes it off and it dissolves it. You will see in this the lather is there, but you will see a difference if it can come close. Actually, there are two bowls here. That's why you can see. Oh, that's stuck it. Okay. Yeah, but you will see all.